Welcome to the channel. C. Jones Lotto Licks. Um, Ohio and Tennessee. This one's for you. Ohio and Tennessee. Need to make sure all my Lotto Lab from our Facebook group VIP members are in attendance. Y'all need to see this. Anybody from Ohio, anybody from Tennessee, y'all need to see this. Need to make sure all my Lotto Lab Facebook VIP members are in attendance. Especially if you're in Ohio. Today's fact was the importance or the power of the number 9. So we're gonna move on to tomorrow because Ohio and Tennessee's drawings are over with for the day. So we can get a jump start on tomorrow. Looking for my other notebook. Can't find it, so we're gonna use the green one. So Ohio and Tennessee. Today was about the power of the number 9. Today's date being 3/24/24. The 9 was right here. 2 plus 4 plus 3 give you 9. That was the power in that number today. So Ohio didn't hit that. But the pattern Ohio's following right now, I looked at Tennessee's drawings, and Tennessee and Ohio is on the same rotation right now. So Tennessee hit that. They hit that. They got Tennessee's evening number was 093. So they got the 9. And you notice how I circled it. That was the pair. 09. 09. The power of the number 9. 09 or 90. Tennessee hit this. And the thing is, Ohio hit it yesterday. So Ohio's a day behind. Tennessee got 3 draws per day, but they only got 1 drawing on Sundays. They only hold their evening draw. So Tennessee and Ohio right now. This was Tennessee's evening number. This was Ohio's evening number. Tennessee's evening number equal 12. Ohio's evening number equal 13. So that's why this live right here is for Ohio and Tennessee. Okay. Tomorrow's date is 2/5. Okay. Tomorrow's date is 2/5. Okay. So the power switched to 10. The power switches to the 10. Okay. Ohio got 427. Some count of 13. Tennessee got 093, some count of 12. 102 is 12. 103 is 13. So what I did was we're gonna write out Ohio's last 6 drawings, and coincidentally, that number equals 10. Left side's Ohio, right side's Tennessee. So O T. That must be overtime. So this overtime, y'all. This overtime. Ohio and Tennessee. Overtime. It's Ohio. Tennessee. Last 6 draws for each state. Ohio and Tennessee. So you notice we don't have a 10 pair, but we got a 10 sum. We got 10 pairs. We don't have the 1-0 pair. We got 10 sums and we got a 10 pair. Example right here, the 154, if you add those together, that gets 10 on Ohio side. Over here on Tennessee side, right here, 5 plus 5 is 10. That makes that sum count 12. You add the 2 to it. Okay. 7 and 3 is 10. 5 and 5 is 10. These two states are working off each other. So I'm gonna put the sum count. Damn, I need some more pens. Sum count is gonna go to the side of it, like always, and we about to work out both of these two states because Ohio's a day behind and Tennessee's right on time. This number right here is tricky because this is a finesse. Certain numbers are called finesse numbers, and this is one of them. Because if you add all these 3 digits together, you get a sum 10. But look at the way the numbers talk. This 5 can mirror to a 0. Or if I cover that 4 up, that can be 15. Or if I cover the 5 up, that could be 14. So we're going to say 10, 14, and 15 on this number right here. And we're going to count on each side. We're going to compare it to the date power number. And we're going to see how long it takes, which is not going to take long because, like I said, no state, either state don't have. I'm going to make a pair out of this power number right here because the thing is, this 10, 10 is also 60. Look at the 5. 5 plus 1 give you 6. Okay. So this each state's last 6 draws. Ohio on the left, Tennessee on your right. Okay. Remember this sheet? The power number sheet? We had a 10. Okay. Right up under that 10 pair is the 9. Okay. Tennessee already hit the 9. So Tennessee either has to go to the 10 or they're going to go to the 6 because I told you the 10 equals the 6. So Tennessee is right here. And Ohio is right here and right here. So in reference to the power sheet, this is if you ain't had a chance to look at this, get your good chance to look at it right now because this is going to help you better than any chart, any lottery chart that you see somebody post. In my opinion, this is going to help you better than any lottery book that you get. You know what I'm saying? Any lottery rundown, any of that. This is going to trump all of that because these are the 3 most powerfulest numbers in the world. And I'm showing you right here in the front of your face the breakdown of them and where to go to and how to work off of them. Let's compare it to something right quick. Let's see. Ohio, let's go to yesterday, 940. Ohio came over here yesterday. 940 off the 4. Look what they did on evening. 481. Look, 4. Look at the top number right here. 1. A 8 flips to a 1. And a 4 flips to a 1. This was the powerfulest number right there on top. Off of that 9-4, because the thing is, a 9 mirrors a 4. So that's like 440. So 4 is the main working number. 4. 4. Look at what it started with. 4. They doubled up with the middle number, 8. 4 plus 4. Look how remember how I told you this can be 440? This is what they did it right here. This is like 440. 4 plus 4 give you 8. And this 0 right here, they just added 1 to it. But this was the power number right here, the 1. So, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you get a good look at that. Screenshot it, you know what I'm saying? Whatever you got to do, write it down right quick, you know. I think I got a video about it on the channel. So, you know, go find that video that's referencing the power number sheet. Because this right here, this works for the pick 4 as well and the pick 5. You know what I'm saying? Some states got the pick 2. This work for that too. It's just look at the method. If you plan to pick 4, add your additional X. Use the same method. So off the 10, Ohio and Tennessee is working off of 10, 90, and 60. So what we do is we look at the sum counts that we got for each state. Sum count that stick out the most, that's the sum count we go next to. So on Ohio side, right here on the left, we got 13. What? 1, 2, 3. We got 13 4 times. We got 13 4 times. So 13 plus 1 give you 14. Showing you the power numbers. 14. Okay? 14. This is Ohio. 14. 14. Ohio. You hear me? Tennessee. You got 12 3 times. You got 12 times. You got 12 3 times. So 1 up from 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So Tennessee need 13. I said they needed, and we add in the 1 0, 6 0 to 9 0 for the pairs on each side. See, notice how this is how it says certain both sides, what sides need. These are the leftover pairs. Now, since neither one of these sides hit any of them pairs off of what they need, those are the fill-ins on each side. 1 0, 6 0, 9 0. Tennessee side got what? Five. I got 5 on Tennessee side. So Ohio need one more. Okay. Now, since we're talking about the power off of the number 1, add 1 in each number. 1 4 1, 6 8 1, 5 9 1, 1 0 1, 1 9 1. Same right here on Tennessee side. 6 7 1, 8 5 1, 9 4 1, 6 0 1, 9 0 1. So like I said, both states haven't hit the 1 0 or the 6 0, but both states hit the 9 0. Ohio with the 940, Tennessee with the 093. So what I wrote down here below is this is the pop for both states, Ohio and Tennessee. These are just the last 6 drawings on the top left on each side. This bottom box right here, this is for either state, Tennessee or Ohio. This is your board right here. Okay, this is your board right here. Get this board. We on 10. And Tennessee started with 12. 13 is 10. 12. So the 10, 12 is plus 2. So 2 days. 325 through 327. $325 through 327. Ohio and Tennessee. Bottom section. Ohio, Tennessee. Last 6 draws. 25th through the 27th. Power of the 10. 10 is 6. 6 is 9. 6 is 9. So check out this section right here. If you're in Ohio or if you're in Tennessee, we're going to see which state hit what first. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you do so on your way out. This is the lesson. C. Jones Lotto Licks. Until next time, y'all, hit that like button.